Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take a class 4. Our subject is English literature. Our today's topic is model question 10, which is EFT unit 16. This model question is from EFT unit 16, the scene part. This will be practiced today. This is lecture number 15 and homework number 13 will be given today. This will be your vacation homework and you have to submit it on 29th May 2021. Okay dear students, let's look at our today's lesson. This is unit 16 in your English for Today book. This unit is model question 10 in your grammar book. Okay, in the model question 10, this scene passage is given. At first we will read the passage here. On weekdays, Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning. He first says his prayers. Then he goes to his grandfather and studies Bangla and English with him. He and his sister have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Sagar gets dressed after breakfast and leaves for school at 9 o'clock because school starts at 10 o'clock. In the evening, Sagar does his homework. He loves Bangla. It's his favorite subject. After he does his homework, Sagar spends time with his grandparents. He and his family have dinner at 9 p.m. Then he goes to bed at 10 p.m. On weekends, Sagar visits his aunt and uncle in the afternoon. He and Kea play in the park with their cousins. In the evening, he watches TV or reads stories to Kea. At night, he goes to bed at 11 o'clock. This was the passage. This passage will be given with some questions, and according to the model question, you see the question pattern. We will discuss it in the next page. Let's see here in number 1, we have word meaning matching. Match the words in column A with their meanings that are mentioned in column B. There will be 2 columns. In one column you will have the words and in the other column you will have the meanings. You will have to match the word with their meanings and write the answers. Let's see the words here. Story, dress, subject, afternoon, watch. The meanings given here: topic of discussion, to stare at, an account of events. Number 4, putting on clothes. Number 5, time between noon and evening. How you will answer the word meaning matching is shown here. Let's look at the answer. See, at first I have written the sub numbers together. Number A is story. So I have written A. And the meaning of story is an account of events. Number 3. So I have written here the sub number A plus Roman number 3. Then I have written the word story and then I have written the meaning in number 3, an account of events. In this way you should answer word meaning matching. Let's see how all the others are answered in the same way as number A. Here we have B plus 4. The meaning of dress is number 4, putting on clothes. Number C is subject. The meaning of subject is number 1, topic of discussion. At first you have to write the sub numbers together. Number D, afternoon. The meaning of afternoon is number 5, time between noon and evening. Number E, watch. Meaning is number 2, to stare at. Okay dear students, here you have the word meanings. Please note that all the items may not be the same as given in your grammar book in model question 10. Some items are changed here slightly by me. I have changed some of this slightly here and there, and in your exam also there might be slight changes. So for practice I have changed it here a bit for you as well. Okay, look at the next page. Number 2, in number 2 we have true false. Write whether the following sentences are true or false. This will be the instruction for you in this question. You have to write either true or false. Number A. Weekdays mean holidays. This sentence is false. Weekdays doesn't mean holidays. Weekends are holidays. So this is false. You have to write false in answer. Number B. Sagar takes breakfast with his sister. This is true. In the passage we read that Sagar and his sister takes breakfast together. So this is true. Number C. He does his homework in the evening. This is also true. Number D. He watches TV at night. This information is false. Number E. He spends time with his family. This is true. Number F. Kea and Sagar play in the school ground. This is also false. They do not play in the school ground. We didn't find this information in the passage. So this is false. In this item also I have made slight changes. Okay, so don't expect for all the questions to be the same as model question. Number 3. Answer the following questions. Here we have question answer. This will also be here from the same passage. Number A. When does Sagar get up on weekdays? Answer. Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning on weekdays. In the passage this information is given. Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning on weekdays. Let's look at the next question answer. Number B. Who reads stories to Kea? Answer. Sagar reads stories to Kea. Number C. When do Sagar and Kea take their breakfast? Answer. Sagar and Kea take their breakfast at 8 o'clock. Number D. When does Sagar get ready for school? Answer. Sagar gets ready for school after breakfast. Number E. When does Sagar start for school? Sagar starts for school at 9 o'clock. Number F. Whom does Sagar visit on weekends? Answer. Sagar visits his aunt and uncle on weekends. These were the question answers, sample question answers for you from model question 10. Here also I have changed a few of them. Okay, a few of them doesn't match with the model question, but don't worry, I have changed them. Okay. Go to next page. In next page we have the composition. Composition is on number 4. The question will be like this. Suppose you are Hamim and you read in class 4. Now write a short composition about your activities during weekdays and weekends in at least 5 sentences. The topic will be related with the passage, the same passage from your English for Today book, and you have to write it in at least 5 sentences. So let's look at the sample answer. My weekends and weekdays activities. See, I have given it a title. You should also give your composition a suitable title. Let's look at the composition. I am Hamim, I am in class 4. We are giving the information at first as these are given in the question. According to the question, I wrote this information first. I am Hamim, I am in class 4. Then I have given description of weekend and weekday activities. On weekdays, I go to school at 7 in the morning. I do my homework in the evening with the help of my mother. I visit my grandparents on weekends. I play with my cousins there. I sleep around 10 p.m. every day. This was the sample composition answer for you. Your next homework is homework number 13. This will be the true false. Please look here again. Number 2, there were 6 true false given. This will be your homework for vacation, okay? And you have to submit it on 29th May 2021. This will be the first Saturday after your Eid vacation. So dear students, please study it at home carefully and do the homework during vacation carefully and submit it on due time on 29th May. Stay safe. See you after the vacation. Allah Hafiz.